What's going on? It's your boy Jay Patterson, and as always in the groove. I took my machine out of retirement. Just had to knock the dust off it a little bit. Haven't used it in a while, so I figured try to brush up a little bit, squeak the joints, get some of the oil in the joints, and see if I still can make a little bit of something. I was never really that good with this machine. It does a lot of amazing stuff. And checking it out right now, seeing if I can do a little something with it. I put some groups together, some instruments. In group A, I just put together some percussion instruments right there. Group B, hi-hat. Group C, got some maracas there, some shakers. Like to shake it up a little bit. Group D. Got that organ sound going on there. I like that. That's hot. Group E. Got a little West African sound right there. Group F. Now I just have like a little guitar riff that I wanted to do, but I'm not really that good with it, so I selected it, but I actually didn't record it into the piece that I did. I just wanted to show you what that sounds like. And up in the software, when I cycle through the groups, you can actually see the instruments that I selected for each group. So let's put it together and see what it sounds like. What did I do? You can see up in the software again, as I cycle through the groups, see him actually playing through. Still working on it. Gonna come up with some better sounding stuff in the future. But it's your boy Jay Patterson, always in the groove.